Hey there, I'm Brandon with South Cypress, and just wanted to show you one of our new tile products that we just came out with. This product is called Barnwood, and it's a porcelain tile that's meant to mimic reclaimed wood. And so it's great to use in applications where you want that reclaimed wood look, but you want the ease of maintenance, durability, and cost effectiveness of a porcelain tile. So you can see here we've got 4 different colors in the series. It comes in an 8-inch by 48-inch plank. It's a color body product, which means the color of the body of the tile is similar to the glaze, so if it chips, it won't be as noticeable. And it's also a rectified product, which means that you can get a really tight grout joint. So it's great for both residential and commercial applications. I could see this going in multifamily common areas, restaurants, hospitality projects. Really versatile product, and it's one that we're really excited to share with you. And this product is made and stocked here in the US, and so lead times are going to be really fast, and it's very cost effective. So if you'd like more information or would like to see samples of the product, please feel free to reach out to one of our design reps, and we'll be glad to get you set up.